Hi guys, welcome back. It's Thursday, so I'm back with another video. If you're new here, my name is Melissa Crafter and I create custom epoxy free tumblers along with other crafts. In this week's video, I'm going to be showing you how I put this small business owner vinyl decal on my Libbey glass. For this vinyl decal, I use Teckwrap's color changing vinyl that does change color when chilled. So that is something that you're interested in, please continue watching. As always, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask down in the comment section. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also, if you aren't subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. I do upload a new video every Thursday. Thank you guys so much for watching. Before we begin, I want to show you guys Teckwrap's color changing vinyl that they offer on their website. This is a clear cold color changing vinyl. When it's chilled below 59 degrees Fahrenheit, the color will change. This vinyl does change to its original look when the temperature increases. I'll link the Teckwrap website down below in the video description. I do have a discount code with Teckwrap. You can use promo code MelissaCrafter10 at checkout for 10% off of your order. I'll put that down below in the video description as well. So I am now on Cricut Design Space. I am on a blank canvas and I'm going to head over to Etsy. This is the SVG cut file that I used. It is from Redhead SVG. It's called Small Business Owner SVG File Bundle. It does come with all the ones that you see here on the screen. It is $2.99. I will link it down below in the video description so that you guys can easily find it. Now heading back to Cricut Design Space, I'm going to upload my design onto my canvas. As I mentioned, it does come with all 5 of these. I'm going to use this bottom one on the left. So I'm going to ungroup them here and just delete the ones that I'm not going to be using. I am going to ungroup this design and I am going to get all the sparkles welded together. That way they can cut in the same position that they are right now. To do that, I'm going to make sure that they are all selected and I'm going to click weld down at the bottom. That's going to put them all together in one cut. That way they can cut in that same position that they are right now. I am going to resize this to 3.5 by 3. This is how big I like it on my Libbey glass. It just all depends on how big you want it. After resizing, I'm going to click make it and send it off to my Cricut to cut out. So first I'm going to load my mat with a pink color changing vinyl. I'm going to make sure that my mat here aligns to my mat on Cricut Design Space. That way my design will cut within my vinyl. All Teckwrap vinyl comes with this clear protective sheet on it to protect it from getting scratched. Up until the point where you're about to use it, you do want to make sure that you remove that before cutting out your design. So here is my Cricut Explorer 2 cutting out this first part of my decal. I do have the cut setting on custom and I do have it on holographic vinyl. So here I am loading my mat with my yellow color changing vinyl. And here is my cutting machine cutting out this last part of my vinyl decal. So here my cutting machine has cut out both parts of my vinyl decal. And now I'm going to get ready to weed out the excess vinyl. To weed out my decal, I'm going to be using my Teckwrap weeding pen. You can find this weeding pen on the Teckwrap website. I'll link it down below in the video description. I really like this weeding pen. I have tried many weeding tools in the past and nothing has worked like this weeding pen. It does have a sharp stainless steel tip that allows you to weed out even small intricate cuts. I'm going to go in here in the corner of my decal and I'm going to begin to lift up the excess vinyl. And then going in and removing the small intricate cuts. So here are the cups that I'm going to be using. They are called Libbey glass or beer can glass. These here are 16 ounce. I did purchase these on Amazon. I'll go ahead and link them down below. Teckwrap also sells these. I'll link those as well. I also purchased the bamboo lids and glass straws on Amazon. I'll link those in the video description. I am going in with an alcohol prep pad and just cleaning off the surface just to make sure that my vinyl has a good surface to adhere well to. After cleaning, I am going to allow it to dry for a few seconds. I am then going to go in with a piece of transfer tape. This transfer tape is from Teckwrap. It is their matte transfer tape. Using my Teckwrap Squeegee, I'm going to press down on my decal and then remove the backing. So here is the wording part of my decal ready to be placed on my cup. I am then going to center this as best as I could, and then using my squeegee, I'm going to press down on my decal just to make sure that it adheres on well to my cup. I am then going to slowly remove my transfer tape. Using that same transfer tape, I am now going to add the sparkle part of my decal. I am then going to remove the backing. I am then going to position this where it's supposed to go, and using my squeegee, I'm going to press down on it, making sure that it adheres to my cup. And here is my vinyl decal already added on my cup. So here is how my cup turned out. Since this vinyl is clear, I really like how it gives sort of that edged cup look before the color changing effect. That is it for this video, you guys. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. As always, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to drop them in the comments. And if you aren't subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. I do upload a new video every Thursday. Also, head over to my Instagram. My Instagram name is melissacrafter00. I do upload on there daily, so make sure you give me a follow. Thank you guys so much for watching.